Hey guys, I'm out here playing around on this driveway today. This isn't going to be fixing it today, but I thought I'd go ahead and play around since I just hooked up the box blade, and I've been debating on messing with this driveway, but I'm definitely not fixing it today. But I'd go ahead and thought I'd flatten out this hump in the middle today and let you guys check it out. You guys can see I have a lot of work to do with this driveway. So at some point I want to get some more gravel in here, fill up this hump, grade this in. I want to put drain tile on this side all the way down because that looks like where all the water is forming and running down this driveway. And I was out here already testing it out. I only did a little bit from, you see where I scraped it, and then I was like, yeah, I should go ahead and video this, even though I don't know what I'm doing yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to run a few passes down this and scrape it up and get this hump out. But this is definitely not the final end of this. So my plan is, this is either or. So I'm definitely going to be probably putting a drain tile on this side because we have this whole hill that it just kind of runs down into this road and it has nowhere to run. And then my problem is that I also on the other side have a place where you can see this hump here all the way down it. So I don't know how it got like that. We've only lived here for a couple years now and it was already like this. So I'm gonna try to fix it, but I can go ahead and I'm thinking about going ahead and pulling most of these little trees out of here and then scraping this dirt off of here so it'll run on down that way, and also filling this with a little bit more gravel right here. So but either way, I'm going to be putting a drain tile probably on this side and letting it run down into it, and if anything I can make this road slope this way to the drain tile, or like I said, I can cut that off and have it kind of slope both ways. I even also thought about just cutting this out and having the whole road kind of slope so it'll run off, but I haven't really decided on what I'm doing. But again, today I'm just going to try to flatten it out. So I'll be back. I'll go ahead and show you guys down here at the bottom. You can see how the water has just been tearing up this driveway. So but down here by the road here, it's actually gets even worse. So the drain tile, I'm going to run all the way down this, and I'm going to run it all the way down to the culvert here. So it'll be flowing into the ditch. So at this point, it'll probably run across the road and go straight down. Probably this whole stream is probably where I'm going to run that little drain tile and run it all the way down in here. Fill this all in afterwards, and then I'll run it out into the ditch right here somewhere, and hopefully that'll solve my drainage issue. But yeah, at some point I'm also wanting to level even the whole lot out. Like all this grass, that's gravel underneath it, so hopefully that box blade, I'll get some use out of this. Planning to graveling this all off too, because again we're going to end up parking stuff there. But again, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna make something better. That's all I plan on doing, and I'll be happy. Up here at the top, I'm also planning on making more parking. We are trying to grow a garden there, and it's too much soil, and then there's like some kind of plants that's having like a root system in the yard, and we didn't know if that was making it not grow well. And then we are also having some issues, we think, with the bunnies and the deers. Look at that weenie dog. Oh man, he loves hunting. Get it, Weenie, get it. He does this all over the place, man. He loves it out here. But this whole area, I'm wanting to also put gravel here, make this a gravel lot. I'm planning on taking these rocks and forming it a little barrier up here also. But anyways, I thought I'd show you guys just me making a few passes and checking this out, because again, I haven't used it. I'm all new to this, so I'm learning.
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic.
Weenie Dog's still up there hunting. He moved down here for a little bit. He's getting in my way digging. But he's a smart dog. He gets out of the way. So this is what this part looks like. I think it did pretty good. Right now I was trying to go up until that box filled up with dirt and it kept on flattening out even. This isn't perfect. This isn't the finished job. This is just for right now to get that hump out. People that come up this hill, the bottom of their car drags on that hump that was there. So I got that out. That was my main goal for today. But again, leave comments on what you guys think I should do. Another option I didn't mention earlier is that I could concave it both in a little bit, have it slope in, and then put a drain tile right down the middle of this. I think that would work as well. And then another option is just filling this whole thing up with gravel, which I don't really know if I want to do. But I mean, there's several different ways to actually do this. I just don't know which one I should do yet. And I don't know when I'm going to get to this project. So right now I just wanted to flatten it out. And up here at the top, I started pulling it up the hill. So when I get up here, you can see I already have piles up here that I can push it into this hole that was already here. So that's what I started doing. And I'm not even close to done, but I thought I'd make a video letting you guys see what I was doing. And this is a learning process, but I'm really pretty happy with how it flattened out this area. So turn that stuff up. But yeah, it's just a process of keep on going over it, going over it, going over it until it smooths out. Alright, so now I'm going to get back to filling this hole in up here, pushing that gravel into that little dip. Let's go over here and see this little hole that Weenie's been working on. He's out here just working hard at this little hole. Yeah, good job, Weenie. Doing a good job. Look at those dirty paws.
The infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
In somewhat. I'll get the bucket on the front and smooth the top a little bit out a little bit more. And I think it looks great for how much I filled in there and got it somewhat flat. Bring in a fresh load of gravel to put on top later on after I get a drain tile in there. And I actually think it'll be good. And then, like I said, I'm going to fill in this whole area with gravel. I'm going to put some type of yard gravel felt down. And I'm going to redo all, I'm going to have to get all the vehicles out of here. And then I'm going to till all this, and then I'm going to till all the stuff down there with this box blade. Get that grass out of there. But get that drain tile in right here. And raise it up a little bit higher right here, still yet. And then I think it'll look great. And he's still over there working.
Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. pace on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come down with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Alright guys, I don't know how much of that you got, but my phone died. So now I got my GoPro out here to record the rest. Hopefully you guys got most of that. I also decided to change the pallet forks out finally for the bucket, because I think the bucket is going to be a little bit better on spreading that right now, since I have my rippers down too far to actually use the box blade to smooth it out. But when I get a fresh coat of gravel, I'll probably take those rippers all the way off and then spread it out. But right now I needed to use the rippers to really rip that soil and gravel up to get it loose. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. It's already getting kind of late, but it's not done, but I'm getting it leveled. There's that weenie dog. He's putting a pothole in here. Look how deep he got that. It's all loose now. Weenie, what are you doing, bud? What are you doing? Oh man, your nose is all dirty. Oh, you little poor little dog. Come on, Weenie. Probably gonna sleep good tonight. Come on, Weenie.